Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got the most beautiful Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is the Louis Vuitton transparent mesh Lockit bag, and it's just gorgeous. It's one of the most kind of unique Louis Vuittons I've seen. We've got that monogram mesh, which is really delicate and beautiful, and it's in white as well, which makes it a perfect kind of summer bag or even a bridal bag. Imagine this. Any bride-to-bees out there, imagine this as a bridal bag. It's just gorgeous. So we've got double top handles, and you can see we've got that removable Louis Vuitton handle belt on there. And then we've got 4 base studs, and then we have a removable Louis Vuitton cloche, and that's got 2 keys inside there. So I'll just undo this handle belt so I can show you inside. So that just slips off like that. And then we've got a zip top closure that just slips off the side there, and then you can unzip it, and inside you've just got 1 zipped pocket here. So I'll show you that zip still works perfectly, and the date code for this one, it's embossed into the leather, so you can see just there that date code there for this Louis Vuitton. The condition of it, we've called the exterior good. It's mostly in a beautiful condition, but there's just a couple of little marks on the leather. So on these handles you can see a bit of a mark there and a little mark just here, and then along the stitching there's a little bit of a mark as well, and then just a couple of little kind of indent marks, so not stains or anything, but you can see little indent marks on the base on that leather. So that is why I've called it good, but it still looks really beautiful. That mesh is in a perfect condition, and that's really nice. And then the interior and the hardware we've called excellent. There's no signs of wear at all to that interior or to that hardware. It's all beautiful and in a perfect condition. See those keys just there? So that is why we've called it excellent, because it is in a really nice condition. It comes with just the Louis Vuitton dust bag to keep it protected in storage, and the exact measurements for it are going to be on our website. The easiest way to find those is to click the link in the description below, and that link should take you directly to this Louis Vuitton on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry that doesn't mean it has sold, but we do have a request list. So if you've been looking for a beautiful, unique Louis Vuitton like this transparent mesh locket, but you get to our website, you've seen it on our YouTube, you've fallen in love with it, then you get to our website and it's sold, don't worry, you can get on our request list. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, let us know that you love this, and we'll get you on our request list. Then as soon as we have in one like this, or anything that you like, any designer, pre-loved designer bags that you have in mind, let us know and we'll get you on that request list. So exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. I am size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", so you can pop it on the arm like that with those top handles. It just pops on your arm, and it's just kind of, it's beautiful. It's a really beautiful bag. That mesh is just really delicate. It's just gorgeous, and in the white especially, I think it looks really nice. So if you're looking for a unique Louis Vuitton like this one, go to the link in the description below. Again, it's the link to shop, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there. If you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us. That's also on our website, so have a read through there. And don't forget to like this video while you're here. If you're a bag lover like we are, we've got so much, especially in the next upcoming few weeks and days, we've got so much gorgeous bags to show you. So hit that alert button, and we'll see you very soon with some more Armcandy.